Ever wonder how we build those massive skyscrapers and endless bridges? It all starts with something you probably wouldn't expect: a giant explosion. That's right. The first step to making cement, the backbone of modern construction, is literally blowing up a mountain. Well, a limestone quarry to be exact. Limestone is the star ingredient, the absolute main raw material for cement. To get it, huge, powerful machines drill deep holes into solid rock. Then, in a carefully controlled blast, boom! They break massive chunks of limestone into smaller, more manageable pieces. So next time you see a concrete building, just remember, its journey began with a massive earth-shaking bang. It's pretty wild, right? Follow along to see what happens next. In the incredible process of... Ever wonder how we turn giant rocks into the stuff that builds skyscrapers? Well, get ready, because it's about to get loud. First, massive chunks of limestone are dumped into a primary crusher. Think of it like a giant metal monster with a serious appetite, chomping huge rocks down to a more manageable size. But we're not done yet. These smaller pieces then go into a secondary crusher for another round of smashing, turning them into little stones. It's basically a rock and roll party, but for construction. Next up, it's time for the ultimate recipe. We take our crushed limestone and mix it with some special ingredients: clay for strength, silica for durability, and a bit of iron ore for that perfect chemical blend. It's like baking a cake, but instead of flour and sugar, we're using the Earth's building blocks to create the foundation of our world. Pretty cool, right? Stay tuned to see what happens next. Bet you think cement is just gray dust, right? Well, that dust is actually the result of some seriously hardcore industrial cooking. After mixing up our raw ingredients, we toss them into the raw mill. Imagine a giant, powerful blender. But instead of making a smoothie, it pulverizes rocks into a superfine powder we call raw meal. But wait, we're not done yet. This powder then takes a trip up the preheater tower. Think of it as a massive multi-story sauna for rocks. Hot gases blast through, drying everything out and kick-starting the magic chemical reactions needed for cement. This clever step saves a massive amount of fuel, making the whole process way more efficient. It's like pre-cooking your ingredients to make the final bake faster. From a giant blender to a rock sauna, who knew making cement was this wild? Follow for the next step in this crazy process. Ever wondered how we get the magic ingredient for concrete? It all comes down to this fiery beast, the rotary kiln. Imagine a massive rotating furnace, tilted just slightly. The finely ground raw meal goes in one end, and that's where the real alchemy begins. As it tumbles its way down, the temperature skyrockets to an insane 1450 degrees Celsius. That's hotter than volcanic lava. In this inferno, the limestone releases its carbon dioxide and transforms into something new. What comes out the other end? Not powder, but these small, super hard gray nodules called clinker. But hold on, this stuff is blazing hot. It immediately tumbles into a clinker cooler, where it's rapidly chilled. This quick cool down is crucial. It locks in the clinker's strength and makes it safe to handle. From fiery furnace to solid strength, that's how we create the backbone of our buildings. Pretty cool, right? Thanks for watching. Ever wonder how that gray powder becomes the backbone of our cities? It's not magic, it's a super-powered grind. We take those cooled-down clinker pebbles, the heart of cement, and give them a spa day with a little bit of gypsum. Think of gypsum as the secret ingredient that controls how fast cement sets. No one wants a concrete surprise. Then it's time for the main event, the cement mill. This beast grinds the clinker and gypsum mixture into an ultra-fine powder. Seriously, it's finer than flour. This magical dust is now officially cement. From there, it's straight to giant silos for safekeeping, protecting it from moisture like a precious treasure. Finally, it's packed into those familiar bags or loaded into bulk tankers, ready to roll out to construction sites and build our future. From tiny pebbles to towering skyscrapers, now you know the final steps. Thanks for watching.